today I wanted to show to you how to open that extension file and what program you can use to be able to open up. There's like 3 portable format document application which can open up many different formats. We will focus on this one. Oh, I didn't know that it can even open up some images, but we will test HM file because this is written. It can open up lots of different formats, and it is completely free and open source. It's being developed by a Polish programmer, and I think they are still adding some new features. I don't know who is currently developing now, but it used to be the Polish programmer whose name is Christopher, who was working on the development of this application. Okay, let's check one of the documentations. I wonder what documentation I can download. That one we will be checking. Because normally we have that extension, but you can still use it to lateral PDF format document to open that format document. I would like to close unnecessary tabs. Oh no, this shouldn't happen. Now this is because, sorry, because sometimes applications fail. Oh no. I think this guy needs to work on fixing bugs. No, and unfortunately, this is crashing. No good, but it is still. I wonder if I can use Microsoft HTML. Unfortunately, you can use either both programs or I wonder if I can use Microsoft Edge, but unfortunately this is the only one application which opens up the document. No, I think Microsoft Edge doesn't have that ability. Oh no, I will have to go to sleep in a minute because I'm waking up early to work to college. Just try to scroll my mouse button slowly. Modules. Yes. I think if you try to do that too fast, application will fail. This is that one is mostly about programming and scripting language, but I have to find the tutorials. I don't know if there are any tutorials in that format. I will probably have to check. We can also check tutorials for Blender, because Blender, oh, this is quite interesting. Oh no, they must have removed this documentation. But I don't want to. Max script. I don't see any documentations. Mainly about Max script. Actually, because this is Max script. Oh, attribute holiday. Let me to check if I have all the documentation. For the format the documents. I strongly believe that I still have got some old books for you to show. Unfortunately, for some reasons, I cannot find it. Oh yes, I have got some files, people, so we can test our file, our program. Or it just took me a while, but at least I found it. Oh, wonderful, amazing. So Sumatra PDF works just fine. It all depends how large the file is. That one has 41 megabytes. I have got all the video tutorials for 3ds Max. I wouldn't use a very old version because Max 2000, Max 9 is very old application from very old, very old application. But even in that time, people could have done amazing stuff. Even in 2006 year. Oh, this is very interesting tutorial. Oh, wonderful. I could have done animation using this. I will probably get back to character reading animation because this tutorial is very accurate. To be honest, people, I really miss character reading, and I'm sure I would get back to character reading. But because this is time consuming, I may not do as quick as possible. Oh, this is interesting. This is to do with more advanced character reading. Oh, you can see. Sorry, people, I couldn't find the documentation quickly. No good. Unfortunately, it crashed. Oh my goodness. Doesn't look too good. They must correct some weird issues. It is still performing well, but you can still download uh, like version beta. I don't know if I should ask him to release new version. We have got a newer version. Oh, he probably fixed some weird issues. We can check. But keep in mind this is only that beta version, but at least you can still test it for yourself. But this is very interesting. Wow, I like very much. I really need to get back to character animation. Oh wow, wonderful! You can do animations of your muscles, but I don't know. I don't like this deformation. Oh wow, wonderful! I will have to study character reading. I wonder if I can do this even better in the newest version of Blender. Uh, that new. Oh, wonderful! Oh wow, I like very much. Old version of Max used to have mental array render engine, but mental array render engine doesn't take advantage of graphics card. For people, I really miss uh, all the documentations. They were very accurate. Anyway, I have to say, I hope you like the video tutorial. Sorry for any crashes, but you can always download free release builds. And I have to finish because I'm going to sleep and I'm going to wake up to work.